Good afternoon and welcome back to Chef in My Kitchen episodes. As we are in the middle of street food week, I've decided to make something slightly different with a bit of twist in it, but it still tastes beautiful. So you'll just have to bear with me a bit. What we are doing is we are pan frying pasta with salsa, Parmesan and so on. So you'll just follow us and give us a couple of minutes of your time, and I'm sure you will like it. Right, first of all, before we even start with the pasta, we're gonna make our salsa, our tomato salsa. Again, it is simple, clean, and most importantly, easy to make. Fine red onion, as you can see. Let's just put it in here. Some chopped tomatoes. We will need quite a bit of these. Green chilies, most definitely scraped for all the seeds, unless you like your salsa extremely hot, then you can leave them on, as you might regret that. And very, very fine. Let's put all these here there. Some fresh pesto, olive oil, some balsamic white wine vinegar, and of course salt and pepper to finish it off. You can add to this, if you like, some lime juice, half a lime juice, lemon juice instead of lime juice. You can make some alterations to it, it doesn't really matter. And this is your salsa in here, and it's nice if you make it a bit earlier, even the day before. The longer you leave it in the fridge, the more the flavors combine together. And just put them in here, now a little dish, and put this aside for now. Right, so the main ingredients, as we said, is this gyro. We've got gyro pasta. You can make ravioli if you like, different than this. This is stuffed with mushroom and chicken. So what we will be doing is, we've got some breadcrumb, dry breadcrumb. We're gonna add some mixed herbs, oregano, rosemary, thyme, parsley, all to it, and mix it with the breadcrumb. We take a couple, 2-3 of these, dip them nicely in the egg wash, make sure that every bit has got egg on it, and into the breadcrumb, and cover it nicely there. Let's have a look if this is nearly done. Okay, and about 1.5 minutes on each side, and then we'll take it out again. So here we go, and so on and so forth. Of course, you don't need to have just one kind of ravioli or anything. You can just mix all together, have different flavors, different ingredients inside and stuffing. We'll try to start turning them over, and look how nice and crispy is that. Once it's done, we put them on a kitchen towel and just get any oil out of it there now. There we are. And there you have it. This is suggest if you've got, I don't know, a garden party you're having, or you get a few people coming to your house on a nice sunny day, and you're sitting outside. Something like this, you can prepare it in advance. Then you don't need to do all this while your guests are with you and so on. So they can last for quite a bit. You can tell when they are nearly done when they puff up, and like this one here, this one here. So what we do is, to serve it, is having a few at a time, some Parmesan cheese, dot of pesto, et voilà. Bon appétit. Hope you've enjoyed this different style or different dish, and let us know what you think. Enjoy your day.